Welcome! If you want to stay updated and never miss a comment on your Roblox community posts, this guide will show you how to enable community comments notifications on the Roblox app for PC, following the latest update. First, make sure you have the Roblox app open on your PC. Once you're logged in, look to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu find and click on the icon labeled More. This icon gives you access to additional features and settings within the Roblox app. After clicking More, a new menu will appear. From here, select Settings. This is where you can customize your Roblox experience. Inside the Settings menu, look for the Notifications option and click on it. This section allows you to manage all your notification preferences, including updates about your account, games, and community activity. Next, within the Notifications menu, find and click on Mobile Push Notifications. Even though you're on a PC, enabling this feature ensures you receive real-time updates on your device, including community comments. Roblox's notification system is designed to keep you in the loop, whether you're on your computer or mobile device. Now scroll through the list of available notification types. Look for the option labeled Community Forum Comments, or a similar community-related notification. Once you find it, simply toggle the switch to enable notifications. When the switch turns green or shows as active, you're all set. Roblox will now notify you whenever someone comments on your community posts or forum discussions. That's it. By following these steps, opening the Roblox app, going to More, entering Settings, selecting Notifications, choosing Mobile Push Notifications, and enabling Community Forum Comments, you'll always be up to date on the latest conversations in your Roblox communities. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected with your Roblox friends and groups.